welcome to Magic Feather Production. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing and maybe a modification because I just like making things my own way. The Scar. It's AEG and I got it dirt cheap because there was a little mishap here on the butt of the gun, and I'm going to show you what it is. It says 424 FPS. That's quite a lot. Wow. It also says energy 1 joule. Alright. Mag capacity 450. Wow. Weight 6 pounds. I can lift 6 pounds. Adjustable hop up, good. It says 31.34 inches. Why can't they just put that in feet? So here's what it looks like in the package. You get one magazine. Oh, already filled up. Cool, cool, cool. You get one of these. Oh. What does this do? Oh. Wow, neat. You get a bipod. Oh my goodness, that's heavy. Hold on. Oh. Neat. Hop up, of course. Collapsible iron sights. There is one of my favorite features. The settings is not just on the right, it's also on the left. So if you're a lefty, this gun is for you. Right here, for your strap, it's also on the other side. Same goes with this part. That has a loophole, a hole right there, and this has on the other side for a lefty. Now, this is the reason why it was dirt cheap. You want to adjust the extension of the gun in the back. It comes out. I mean, I can manage to find out how to fix it, but I'm going to show you another odd thing about it. Right here is the pin. If you lose that, you're screwed. And this right here. To get the battery out or put the battery in, you have to lift it open. And there's the battery, which is 9.6 volts. My GF76, it was just 8.4. So this is a little more badass than my GF. It's more heavy than the GF. It really is. Put it back in, which is odd. Look at this. Look at this. You see these two? These two things right here? These two prods, which are made out of copper because copper is the best conductor. You have to, I don't know if I can show you by doing it correctly. You have to put them in these slots right here. See these slots? You have to make sure they're both in the same, they're on each slot. Oh, I did it right. Okay, I want to shoot something. I don't want to shoot my antique bottles. What should we shoot? We'll shoot this. I'm not going to put the bipod on yet. So I put my laser grip sight on. Another feature I forgot to show you was this is collapsible. Let's go semi first. Let's go, Otto.
Say hello to my little friend!
Destroyed. Even though there were holes there before. Check it. Oh my goodness. I made the armor specifically for a specific reason, but today is just about the scar, which is my new favorite gun. It has a bit of a kick to it. Kind of like it's almost like a blowback. It's really heavy. It feels more than 6 pounds, but you know what? I like it. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and I will make a modification video later. I'll catch you later.